the last thing I needed was to either find a OEM door panel or try to get this one wrapped to match it. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. I got it off eBay, and like I said, as soon as I seen this listing posted, I jumped right on it. So this is the door card. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it don't look the best, but you feel me? It's literally the only one I could find. So I jumped right on it. Like I said, I wasn't finna just let it keep sitting, and this was literally the last thing I needed for this car. So that's the door panel. And like I said, it don't come with literally nothing else but this, just the door panel. You know what I'm saying? This is the door panel, and this is the exact one that I ordered, you know what I'm saying? But instead of back, it's for the front, which is literally just like that one up front, you know what I'm saying? So now we will have all 4 matching door panels. We finally gonna get rid of this burgundy. Like I'm gonna have to keep this on here. Well, I'm gonna have to keep it and put it on the new one, just because I don't have a blue one yet. So I'm gonna have to try and find a blue one to match there. What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video, and this is a video I'm so happy I'm finally making, you know what I'm saying? So y'all know it was one main thing for my interior of this box Chevy that I needed to either get or get done, and I think some of y'all might already know what I'm talking about, but for those of y'all that don't know, it's this door panel. So now, well, y'all seen the title and everything, so y'all already know what's going on, you feel what I'm saying? I finally found one. I finally found one to match this, to match my OEM ones, you feel what I'm saying? So now I get this one out of here whenever the new one comes in. Now I will show y'all everything, show y'all the order and door panel, you feel me? So y'all know, to complete my interior, I've done everything. Put a dash cover on, changed the steering wheel, put a steering wheel new wrap on, changed the gear shift, tried to customize me a center console, which we will be remaking sometime during the summer. If not, I'll try to remake it during the winter, you feel me? I'm not in a rush for that. It's a hole in my dash, so I had to put a TV there. I haven't hooked it up or nothing, but it's just there for now, you know what I'm saying? And this is one of the last pieces I will be trying to find. I've been looking online and can't really find it. I know it's a pillar, you know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to find it, and I haven't found one yet. And then y'all know we redid the headliner, changed the TV out and put one with better lighting in there. We added a third brake light, redid the rear deck, rewrapped it, put new speakers in and hooked them up, wired them up. Everything is done back here. We put new weather stripping on the doors, all of them. And yeah, you feel me? New window regulator in here for the manual window. You know what I'm saying? We done a lot to the interior of this car. Even changed the radio, you know what I'm saying? So the last thing I needed was to either find a OEM door panel or try to get this one wrapped to match it, you know what I'm saying? Now, the bad thing about trying to get it wrapped is, for one, it would have cost more than what I paid for the door panel, you know what I'm saying? And it wasn't a guarantee that it was gonna match perfectly to how these are, because you know these are a little older, and they been in this car since this car was made, you know what I'm saying? So getting this one wrapped wouldn't really have that vintage look to it, you know what I'm saying? That old look to it, because like I said, these, you can tell how long they've been in here. They've been here for a long time, you know what I'm saying? But this one just don't match at all. And for one, it's burgundy. It's not even blue like the color of my car. It's burgundy. But this is what came with the car as well. So this was in the trunk when I bought the car. So another story, when I bought this car, this driver door did not have a door panel on it whatsoever, you know what I'm saying? So I couldn't just be like, dang, I need to find a door panel. I don't even know what I was going to say there, but yeah, this door did not have a door panel on it whatsoever, you know what I'm saying? The rest of the doors did. And the dude I bought this car from, he had just bought it from an auction literally like 2 or 3 days before, you know what I'm saying? So it was pretty obvious that someone was trying to break into this car to get it, I guess, because you feel me, this car was sold at a military auction, so I'm guessing somebody just left it on the side of the road and they picked it up and put it up for auction. So if y'all know my trunk, it got that huge dent in it. Somebody was trying to pop it open, break it open. The trunk lock went on there. I had to put new locks on here. It wasn't no keys to this car when I bought it, so I could not lock the doors. If so, I would have been locked out of the car. So I had to change literally my start right here and my door panel, well, my door key, so, and the trunk, you feel me? And then, like I said, there wasn't a door panel here. So I've been searching since I bought this car. I've been, every day I check eBay or just Google in general, trying to see if somebody had posted a door panel that are that are the exact same as my other ones, you know what I'm saying? And I came across one 4 days ago. I was randomly at night just searching like parts and stuff, because I do it just about every day. I search a part, try to see what I can find and try to see what I can get. And I seen it pop up and it said new listing, the door panel, and it's the manual window one, the exact one that I need for my car, you know what I'm saying? It's perfect. I was even checking Facebook Marketplace to see if anybody was parting out their cars, and if they did, was the color the right color for mine and all that stuff. And like I said, I had just found one on eBay. It just, new listing just popped up, and I placed the order, you know what I'm saying? I was so happy, I was so excited. I was like, bro, finally I found the missing part to my interior. The one thing I needed for my interior, bro, I finally found it, you know what I'm saying? And it's this door panel. Now, it don't come with, you know what I'm saying, it don't come with this part, and it don't come with none of these, you know what I'm saying? So we will still have to rock out with this burgundy one until I can either paint this one or maybe even find the OEM one, you know what I'm saying? But at least I have my armrest part, and I got the chrome and my door handle. But like I said, whenever mine come in, the one that you want for the driver door, I will be replacing the weather stripping for it. Y'all know we still got that brand new weather stripping, and we're gonna reuse my handle, because it's literally nothing but this door card, you know what I'm saying? It's literally just this. It don't come with the armrest or this part for the door handle. So like I said, we're gonna have to leave this on there put that onto the new one of us, you feel what I'm saying? And then we're gonna reuse the armrest, reuse that, and reuse the lock and all that stuff. But at least we finally gonna have one that's gonna match. So 1 second, my bad, y'all, my uncle wanted to tell me something. But yeah, like I was saying, man, we finally found the door card. So first thing I want to do is go ahead and show it to y'all. Go ahead and crack my window. I'm starting to sweat a lot. Crack my window a little bit, it's getting hot. So yeah, bro, when I tell y'all, bro, when I found this, I jumped right on it, you know what I'm saying? So y'all can see it says, if it'll focus, there you go, this item is out of stock. I bought it June 22nd, like I said, a couple days ago. Today the 29th, so 7 days ago I bought this, and I'm just waiting on it to come in the mail. It's already been shipped and everything, and you feel me? Like I said, for the price I paid for this, not gonna lie to y'all, I paid $140, actually $150 something after tax and shipping. You know what I'm saying? Shipping was $40 and he was charging $110, so I spent like $158 after tax and shipping for this. And then like I said, trying to get one matched, or trying to actually get this one wrapped and matched to all the OEM ones in here, it would have cost me way more just to try to get this one door panel matched. So here we go. I got it off eBay, and like I said, as soon as I seen this listing posted, I jumped right on it. So this is the door card. This is what it looks like. Yeah, it don't look the best, but you feel me, it's literally the only one I could find. So I jumped right on it. Like I said, I wasn't finna just let it keep sitting, and this was literally the last thing I needed for this car. So that's the door panel, and like I said, it don't come with literally nothing else but this, just the door panel, you know what I'm saying? It don't look terrible. I mean, yeah, it's a little wrinkly, but it'll all get worked out. It'll be all right. That's the back. So the back definitely don't look the best, but maybe I can pull like some stuff off of the back of the hair and try it. If not, dog, I'm really not worried about it. I just needed this door panel, you feel what I'm saying? And I'm trying to look at the weather stripping, but I can't really see the weather stripping. The weather stripping actually looks fine, to be honest, so maybe I won't have to change it. Y'all look and see. The weather stripping actually looks pretty fine. But like I said, this is the automatic door, so literally the exact one I needed, bro. And I finally found it. So that's the whole door card right there. Y'all let me know what y'all think. We finally found the door card, bro, that I've been missing for a while. And y'all look at me, I'm starting to sweat. Y'all can't even really tell, but I'm starting to sweat so bad, bro. It's crazy how hot it is, but yeah, man, y'all see the door card, bro. We finally got it. Like I said, literally, some just told me, bro, check for the door card one more time. And I searched it, and it popped up, bro. It popped up, and I was like, I gotta have it. I gotta have it. I don't even care. What I mean, I'm glad that the price wasn't too crazy, even though 150 for a used one is pretty crazy, but at least I finally got one, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not stressing about it no more. There's one less thing we have to worry about with this car, and very soon I'm gonna be priming them fenders on this car, because if y'all look back here, got my paint gun, Bondo primer, mask and stuff. So we will be doing it real soon for this car. And yeah, man, there ain't too much left really to do besides get that motor thrown in. So guys, I'm telling you, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. We finally got this door car. I finally found it, and this is one less thing we got to worry about. Like I said, this was really the last thing we needed for the interior of this car, you know what I'm saying? But I mean, yeah, I'm gonna remake my center console. That's not really no big deal, but my dash was one thing I kept telling y'all I need to fix. Got us a dash cover, which looks perfect, bro. Steering wheel, we changed the color of it, so I mean, now it's blue. Put the gear shift in, redone the headliner so it's not sagging no more, which looks really good. Even the side parts in the back, bro. My interior is just coming together. Yeah, I need to clean it again though, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but everything is really coming together, and my camera is starting to overheat, so I will catch y'all in a second. All right, y'all, so moving outside of the car now, you know what I'm saying? Just lost my train of thought. Don't know what I was finna say, but let me go ahead and unlock the back door. So, bro, like I done showed y'all, this is the door panel, and this is the exact one that I ordered, you know what I'm saying? But instead of back, it's for the front, which is literally just like that one up front, you know what I'm saying? So now we will have all 4 matching door panels, which I'm so excited, bro. I just don't have this bottom part. It's the only thing I'm missing, and I don't have one of these, but I do. If we move back here to the trunk, when I bought this car, this one was in the trunk, even though this not the, don't look like the right one. Maybe it is. Nah, because this one, the middle part right there, the carpet part looks more like purple, and this one's more blue. So yeah, this one definitely off, but this is the one that was in the trunk, and I kept it in the trunk the whole time. These don't go on there, I just sat them on there. But yeah, you feel me? This is the one that was in the trunk, and yeah, I'm seeing that it's not the right one, but I mean, it's for a driver door or a passenger door. It's for the front doors. It's just the wrong color, but I'm probably just gonna have to use it just for the time being. And yeah, this one is not gonna work at all. It don't match, it's nowhere near. So yeah, I can't use this one at all. But like I also told y'all know we got the brand new weather stripping for the driver door, and if that one actually looks pretty good, I won't have to really use this one, you feel me? I can save it, or whenever I actually do need to use it, you know what I'm saying? We're just gonna rock out like that. But like I said, we do have this one, which I will be sitting up front, just so I will remember where it go, you know what I'm saying? And I need to take this handle off, put it down to the bottom, like all the rest. Literally all the rest of them are towards the bottom except for this one. Need to take that one off and redo it. But yeah, man, this, like, I'm gonna sit this here, just sit it down there for now, for the time being, because that new one, it should be in within the next either day or two, you feel me? Because I checked on the shipping and all that stuff, and it said that it was about, I was supposed to be getting it from between Friday, which was yesterday, and Tuesday, which is in 3 more days. Today is Saturday, so it should be in within Tuesday, so a couple more days. So I'm not, like I said, I'm not stressing about how long it's gonna be. The shipping was pretty high, $40, but I had to have the door panel. So we finally gonna get rid of this burgundy. Like I'm gonna have to keep this on here. Well, I'm gonna have to keep it and put it on the new one, just because I don't have a blue one yet. So I'm gonna have to try and find a blue one to match there, or Yeah, blue. I was finna say purple because the seat's looking purple now, but nah, blue. I'm gonna have to try to find one, and we're gonna rock out like that. You feel me? So the reason why this one is on here, when me and my dad was, you know what I'm saying, basically rebuilding this car to where I can pass inspection, because yeah, like I said, the car, it was bought, and the only thing they gave the dude when he bought it from auction was bill of sale, I think, and I had to get it past inspection and everything to get my title and registration and all that type of stuff, bro. It sounds like a fly in here. So yeah, man, like I said, so we just went ahead and threw this one on here just for the time being, just so I wouldn't have a bare door. You feel me? He had this extra one because we used to go to pull parts all the time, and they had a box Chevy, and the interior was burgundy, so we pulled the doors off, and we couldn't really get nothing else because a lot of the other stuff was already gone. There's a fly in here. Come on, bro, get out. So like I said, man, we just threw this on there for the time being because, like I said, when I bought the car, it didn't have no door panel on this one because somebody broke in the car to actually get inside of it. You feel what I'm saying? But other than that, man, we finally got one. I hate I had to spend money on it. I wish it would have just came with the car, but I'm just glad I finally got one. You feel me? Now we're gonna have all 4 matching door panels in my box Chevy. All 4 matching door panels, bro. Like I said, I'm so excited. So yeah, let me go ahead, close this back up. Like I said, we got the weather stripping, so yeah, if I need to, I will install it. If I don't, then I won't. Simple as that, you know what I'm saying? Just sit that over there for now. Y'all stay tuned. Ooh, that's a wasp. Next video will be me changing out my amp again. Y'all saw that wasp. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. You feel me? There's a couple more things I want to do today. I'm gonna try to strip the paint off them wheels for the Cutlass, some 20s, spoke wheels, and I want to try to put that amp in here. And maybe I'll try to test it out, but I didn't want to put my battery on yet because I'm trying to wait until we drop the car off to get the motor swap put in. But yeah, y'all see. Ooh, my water bottle. This is the dent where they tried to break into the car, so yep, gotta try and get that body work. But other than that, man, I will catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright, you guys, like I said, man, I'm so excited for this door panel to come in and for us to actually install it, or for me to actually install it. You know what I'm saying? I'll finally have all matching door panels. I've been waiting so long for this, you feel me? Like I said, for me paying to get this one wrapped or get this one, yeah, basically just wrapped and done, you feel me, painting all that stuff, it just wouldn't have been worth it. You know what I'm saying? It's not worth it. So I was better off trying to find the OEM one, and I finally found one. You know what I'm saying? Finally found the matching door panel that I've been missing since I own this car. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no telling how long it's been gone before that. You feel me? So we finally got that done, finally got that ordered, and now we're just waiting for it to come in. When it come in, I'm gonna make a video showing it to y'all. We're gonna install it. Maybe I throw that weather stripping on. Like I said, I don't know if I want to or not. It depends on how the weather stripping actually look, because y'all look at this one actually looks pretty good. You know what I'm saying? But the rest of them that was on here did not, and now we got new ones. So like I said, it all just depends on how it looks whenever we get the new door panel in the mail. You know what I'm saying? So that's all we waiting on. I'm waiting on that confirmation email saying your package was delivered, and I'm gonna go and pick it up and come back over here to the car. Simple as that. So just waiting on it to come in the mail. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video though. I'm so glad I was able to make this video finally, and I'm so happy I was finally able to find that door panel. But other than that, man, it's gonna be the end of this one. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell to all, where y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. And stay tuned for that door panel to come in. I'm so excited, y'all. My car is moving forward and it's looking great, and we're just gonna keep going up. You know what I'm saying? So love y'all, appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.